Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can log in into your online banking account of Union Bank. Before you try to log in, make sure that you have an account, only then you'll be able to log in. Otherwise, you'll not be able to log in. Before we get started, make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. In order to log in, first of all, head towards your web browser. As soon as you open up your web browser, right on top, you can see there's a search box. So then type in the link that is www.unionbank.com, and also you can find the link on my description box. As you type in the link, on the other page, you will land inside the official site. So over here, the interface looks something like this. On this following page, in the top right corner, you can see sign on. So don't get confused with sign on. So instead of sign in, they have this kind of feature such as sign on. So you'll have to tap on it in order to log in into your account. As soon as I tap on sign on, there's a drop down menu. So over here you can see there is access your information, and under it you'll have to provide your user ID which is associated with your Union Bank account. So make sure to enter your correct username. Once you're done, tap on sign on. As soon as you enter your correct user ID and then tap on sign on the other page, this kind of interface might appear. Over here you can see that your username is currently present. So under it you'll have to enter your password. So make sure to enter the correct password. In case you are not able to log in because of your incorrect password or your username, what you can do is simply tap on forgot password, and on the other page they'll ask you to provide some information and then you'll be able to recover your password. Once you're done entering your information, make sure to recheck it, only then tap on submit in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on submit, you will successfully land inside your online banking account of Union Bank. That is how you can log in into your Union Bank account. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.